So today it's time to talk about my basic travel EDC. As a photographer and filmmaker, I've carefully selected a range of essential items that I always have with me to make it as easy as possible for me to get things done. First and foremost, let's talk about the backbone of my travel EDC, my camera bag. This specially designed bag keeps all my gear safe and organized, and it offers a variety of customizable dividers, allowing me to securely carry my camera and lenses wherever I go. I always like to use this bag because it offers enough space for the most important parts of my kit. Especially for traveling, I always try to build a small EDC because I don't want to waste important space and I don't want to carry unnecessary stuff. So that's why this bag from Lowepro is absolutely fantastic. Next, let's talk about my camera, and here I need to mention the Canon R5. This mirrorless camera is my favorite because it's a hybrid camera. It offers a variety of features including high resolution imaging, awesome video features and excellent low light performance. And on top it's perfect for capturing stunning images as well because yeah, it's a hybrid camera. Of course, I definitely need to mention that my Canon C70 is a perfect option to record videos, but whenever I travel I always try to use hybrid cameras for a minimalistic setup. For versatile and all-purpose photo and videography, I always like to use a couple of lenses to be prepared for a variety of shots. And one of them is the RF24-105 f4. In the end, it offers a wide focal range, allowing me to capture everything from wide-angle shots of stunning landscapes to zoomed-in details of all kind of things. This is actually a great versatile lens that you can use if you don't really know what kind of images you want to take, or if you want to build a small kit for your travel photography. So yeah, I can highly recommend this lens. It's one of my favorite versatile lenses. When it comes to portraits or any close-ups, the RF35mm 1.8 macro lens is my secret weapon. With its wide aperture, it's perfect for low light conditions as well, and it produces a beautiful blurry background, making my subject stand out in every shot. The 35mm is actually one of my favorite prime lenses, and on top it's a macro lens, so yeah, you can get all these nice detail shots as well. What I also need to mention is that it's one of the cheaper RF lenses, so even for a mid-range budget, this lens is top notch and I can highly recommend to check it out. But my absolute favorite lens is the 70-200, especially when I want to get really close to distant subjects or capturing stunning portraits. The EF 70-200 2.8 lens is currently my top choice. Its telephoto capabilities and fast aperture makes it perfect for portraits and dog photography, and of course you can get a beautiful bokeh near images as well. So yeah, in my opinion, a 70-200 is a must-have for any photographers and filmmakers. But now let's talk about some of my other practical essentials that I always carry with me. First, let's talk about my keys and wallet. As a Tesla owner, my Tesla key fob is of course always in my travel EDC. It ensures easy access to my car and makes the whole experience seamlessly. I really like the key fob design, it's super nice, it's black, and it's in my opinion a great accessory for the Tesla Model 3. I actually bought it a couple of days after I ordered my car because I always wanted to have one, and I really like these features that this key offers. Additionally, I always carry a compact wallet to keep my IDs, credit cards and cash organized and of course secure. At the end of 2022 I decided that I want to reorganize and rebuild a couple of things, including my everyday carry, so that's why I also decided to buy a new wallet. And in this case I decided to buy this wallet because it offers all the basics that I need to organize my on-the-go stuff. I also bought a black wallet because my goal for my EDC is to aim for the darker walnut color area, so yeah, it's a perfect match that I can use for a long period of time. The next one that we need to talk about is of course my Leatherman. A versatile multi-tool like the Leatherman is a must-have for me because it combines essential tools for a variety of situations, from repairing gear to opening packages or even assisting in unexpected scenarios. Of course it is possible that there are better options out there, but for me as an average user it's just perfect. And exactly that's why this one here is always part of my everyday carry, and I can highly recommend to have something like that at least at home because it's actually really useful. And last but not least, let's talk about my phone setup. The AirPods Pro offer a great sound quality and noise cancellation, while the iPhone 14 Pro offers everything that I need to stay connected on the go. I really like the new dynamic island, all these new camera features like RAW photos, and of course the cinematic mode that I can use to get better results whenever I use my phone. So as an example, whenever I want to take a couple of shots with my phone, I can simply use these RAW images to get a clean result in the end in Lightroom, and that's really helpful. But in most cases I simply use my phone for all kind of business related things and social media, and in combination with these camera features it's just a perfect combo for my everyday tasks. Lastly, I definitely need to mention the Apple MagSafe battery pack to ensure my devices stay charged throughout the day. In my opinion, the battery pack provides a quick and convenient power boost whenever I need it, and of course the official one from Apple isn't the cheapest option here, but there are plenty of options out there that you can use as well. In the end, it's really important that you just pick the one that you like the most. But especially if you use your phone a lot like me on the go, it is really important to know that you don't have to worry about charging your phone anymore. But yeah, that's my travel EDC. What's your favorite gadget? Write it down in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.